It was a very quiet, leafy village. There was big families and a lot of poverty.
But I do remember when the building was going on, and and people would say, "Oh, they won't last. They'll be gone in a couple of years, like the rest of them."
No, that crowd will come in and they'll take every grant in the place and they'll be gone when they're gone, and they'll get their tax breaks and they're gone.
What they have put into this community will never, ever be in the like again.
They support so many different groups and organisations, not just in Leixlip, in the surrounding county and further afield,
The Pride of Place, of course, has been a wonderful initiative and has brought in many, many groups now.
For the schools in the area and education, what they did was they were donating IT to the schools and setting up computer structures in the schools. So each of the secondary schools was donated a computer lab back in '94, and then each school got half of a teacher at that stage as well, and my job was formed on that.
This is my 51st year being involved in Vincent de Paul. I can safely say we would not have survived without the input that they give to us every year and all through the year. Now, money-wise, I couldn't put a figure on it. It's thousands.
There's a lot of volunteers that come out into the community. I think Leixlip, Tidy Towns, benefited from 110 volunteers that came out and painted everything that moved.
Its sole focus is the protection and enhancement of biodiversity and the life of this river.
They did research with the Department of Education when I Minute again looking at that project, okay? And out of that, today as a school, we're now a one-to-one school. All the children, there's 900 children in the school, they all have one-to-one devices that we go around with.
And Intel's presence in Leixlip has been massive. And when the economic benefit comes, all ships rise. So the towns around here are booming. They've brought a verve to this area that wasn't there.
The housing, the employment, the family life, the school life. Intel has brought so much life into Leixlip.
It is there to not only create employment, but to also enhance the community.